Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 10th of March. Ooh, it's going to be cold today. Rain's gone, but it's going to feel like the dead of winter. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots early this morning. First off, coming from Inverness. So we're looking Highway 280 at 5 o'clock in the morning. A few folks out there, a few brave souls this hour of the day. There's the Jasper Skycam seen from the King Building up in Walker County, and from Haleyville in Winston County. Nice look at downtown. Woo boy, look at that trough coming through here. That thing is digging deep. All the active weather we had yesterday has moved off to the east. And we have a surplus of rain now. Just a week ago, we were deficient by about 4 or 5 inches. Well, now we have a surplus of over 1 inch in Birmingham. Here's a look at temperatures this morning. As cold as 38 in Cullman, Haleyville 40, Birmingham 43. Those numbers will not go anywhere today. We think we'll sit in the 40s all day long, and the clouds will probably hang tough with that trough. And look at the radar now. That's the high top radar. After 5 o'clock this morning, a few little sprinkles, and by golly, maybe a few little snowflakes up there in pockets across Tennessee and extreme North Alabama. It'll be interesting to see if we get any reports of snowflakes up there. Down here, don't expect any precipitation today. Again, if you're in Cullman or Hamilton or Haleyville or Gadsden, you might see a little raindrop or two. And again, up near the Tennessee border, maybe a snowflake, but certainly no big deal. There's our watch warning map. The big system that soaked us yesterday is moving through the northeastern states today with a lot of flash flood watches up through there, including New York City. A few winter weather issues over northern New England. And the counties in Alabama, the Birmingham County warning area, are highlighted. That is a wind advisory. That cool breeze will be blowing today. And the QPF chart. This is the expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday evening of next week. And again, next week is a great mystery with mottled madness. This is suggesting a little rain. And again, this counts the rain we had last night between 6 o'clock and midnight, and whatever rain comes down early next week, if we see any early in the week on Monday. All right, this is the 06C GFS at noon today. There's your digging trough. And again, down below that, the 540 line drops all the way down to near Dothan. And again, if we see 50 today, that'll be a minor miracle. And maybe a few little areas of drizzle or snowflakes up in the Tennessee Valley, and maybe as far south as Birmingham, but I'd say the better chance of any that would be north of here today. All right, tomorrow we should start the day near freezing. The GFS has 31, and that's assuming the sky clears. And you know how sometimes the clearing process can be a lot slower than you think, but we'll use that in the forecast. We'll wind up in the mid to upper 50s with sunshine back, and the weekend looks great. Saturday, sunny with a high right at 70, and Sunday looks good. Although we note a little moisture tries to ease in here, we'll call it partly sunny. The high Sunday, again, should be very close to 70. Gorgeous weather for the weekend. All right, Monday of next week, almost every run we look at looks different. That doesn't bode well for high confidence. All of a sudden now, that nice short wave that was over Arkansas and western Tennessee, it's not there anymore, and accordingly, no lift, a little bit of moisture, but there's hardly anything showing up here. This would suggest really no measurable rain on Monday, with a high again in the low 70s. Tuesday, we're dry. Low 70s are likely, very mild. A system way up north. Wednesday of next week, here comes a cold front coming in from the north. And a week from today, the shortwave energy is way up north, and down below that deep surface low up there. Again, some evidence of moisture trying to creep in here, but no big deal. And then Friday, finally, the cold front pushes in with that big upper trough phasing up over the east. There's the surface look, and look at that 540 line down to Birmingham. Maybe some snow up in Tennessee. The really low levels are not cold enough for snow. I know the 540 lines here, but again, the evidence of rain at the end of next week has been very good and very persistent. How much rain, don't know that yet, but the thing early in the week just kind of comes and goes. It's never looked like a big deal anyway, but again, if you got spring break plans, that was your week. And again, the confidence is fairly low. Be sure and check in with us tomorrow. We'll go out there on the 25th. This is the end of the forecast. A ridge axis to the west, a northwest flow aloft, and that would be dry and uneventful. Peek at the North Atlantic Oscillation. It's just hugging the flat line, really, for the rest of this month. And again, it can be cold with that being neutral, but it's just a little harder to do. You want to see it kind of spike down to get that big eastern U.S. trough and really cold air down in here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.